Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming iCloud Photos is active, and then immediately back up anything you want to keep. This prevents accidental loss. Next, sign into the same Apple ID on the device you'll use to remove photos so changes sync correctly. Once signed in, make sure two-factor authentication is accessible. Apple may prompt a code. You're doing this first because deletes propagate across devices. Sign out steps later will stop future syncs, but act now to control what stays versus what goes. Now you remove the images. On iPhone, open Photos, select Items or Albums, tap Delete, then go to Recently Deleted and choose Delete All to permanently remove them from iCloud. On a Mac, select Photos in Photos app, press Delete, then open Recently Deleted and permanently erase. If you prefer iCloud, sign in, select Photos, Delete, and clear Recently Deleted there too. Make sure to check all devices. Once Recently Deleted is cleared, items are removed from your iCloud store. Finish by turning off iCloud Photos on every device to prevent re-uploads. Go to Settings, tap your name, iCloud, then Photos and disable it. Once done, verify iCloud storage reflects the freed space and adjust backups if needed. If photos reappear or deletions don't sync, sign out and back into iCloud, wait up to several minutes for server sync, and then recheck Recently Deleted. If that fails, contact Apple support. There may be a server-side delay or account issue preventing permanent removal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.